Good day, ma'am. My name is John Lloyd Pibalat, and today I will memorizing about the theories for requirements for final examination. Number one, uh, number one is uh, demonological theory. Explains that individuals are possessed by good and evil spirit, which cause good and evil behavior. Number two. Number two is classical theory. Explain that a person always act in such a way to seek pleasure and avoid pain. Number three. Number three is neoclassical theory. Unlike classical theory, it should be modified in certain details. The children are lunatics and should not be regarded as criminal. Number four. Number four is positivist theory. Crimes as a natural phenomenon, and it is comparable um, to to natural phenomenon and natural calamity. And number five is anomy theory. Explains that absence of norms in a society provide a setting conducive to crime. Number six is human ecology theory. Focus on a study on interrelationship of people and the community. Number seven. Number seven is differential association theory. Explains that society is composed of different groups and organization. Number eight is containment theory. Explains that every individual there exists is obtaining external structure and a protective structure. Number nine. Number nine is strain theory. Explains that a failure of a man to achieve a higher status of life caused them to commit a crime. And number 10. Number 10 is subcultural theory of delinquency. Lower class cannot socialize to properly in a middle class, and what is considered to standard behavior. And number 11. Number 11 is neutralization theory. Individuals will obey or disobey depending on her ability to naturalize. Number 12. Number 12 is differential opportunity theory. Explains that society leads the lower class towards to one's class. And number 13. Number 13 is labeling theory. Explains social reaction to behavior becomes criminal if it is labeled as such. Number 14 is instrumentality theory. Claims that upper class create their own rules to protect their own interests. Number 15. Number 15 is cartography. Crimes against person increase during summer, while crimes against property increase during winter. Number 16. Number 16 is differential coercion theory. Explain explain that coercion can begin early in life when children experience cognitive form of experiences. And number 17 is interaction theory. A delinquent behavior found in an influence of quality of family life. Number 18 is routine theory. Crime target or anything or offender want to take control of. And number 19 is theory of aggression. Theory of aggression tends that children by modeling and imitating others. And number 19 is number 20 is cultural deviance theory. Children state that children are not really deviance act. And number 21 is activistic grave theory. Women are lower on the evolutionary scale than men. And number 22 is inferior conflict. Believe that girls realize they have no penis. They sense that they are being punished. And number 23 is unjusted girl theory. Believe that women by nature have stronger desire for response of and love than men. And number 24 is deceitful girl theory. Women are actually as criminal as men, but their criminality is hidden or masked. Number 25 is Marxist theory. Feminist Marxist theory tends to respond to their subordinate and powerless position. Number 26 is differential opportunity theory. Oppress that the more likely or he will become delinquent. Number 27 is social control theory. Who are not bounded to society are free to violate its rule. Number 28 is conflict theory. Crime is caused by number 28 conflict theory is explained by imbalance and conflict status.